So I recently watched a video titled The Secret of Getting Better at Talking to People. And what it said was basically all you need to do is talk to people a lot and you'll get better. You'll just pick up patterns and stuff. And that's kind of obvious advice. So I kind of want to chime in and give my own personal advice from my experiences. I wouldn't say I'm like amazing at talking to people, but some of the people I've met and became good friends with have told me that they feel like they enjoy their conversations with me. And number one, actually, if we want to talk about the secret, the number one thing is, it's that when I talk with people, I feel like this is actually mostly when people talk to me, and I feel like it's a great conversation. It's mostly like they're focusing on me. They have like this thing where they're actually seeing me. And I feel like that's the number one thing that's so important to a good conversation, is someone who's talking with you and actually seeing you and actually wondering like, who is this person, and really giving you focus in the conversation. Because I feel like sometimes when I meet people, they say their name and they say who they are and ask questions, and it feels like they're not really seeing me. It feels like they're just talking and opening their mouth, following these certain patterns that you pick up on when you talk with more people. But really, the people that I have the best conversations with are the people that really actually see me and are talking to me. And that's what I'm also trying to do more of when I have conversations with new people, is really have a conversation with them, really try to see them and adjust according to them. And I think after that step, I'll give more than just the secret, but I really do think that is the secret, is like when you talk with people, like actually really see them. That is the secret. But beyond that, like how to get better at the talking part, is reflect on the conversations you've had that you've enjoyed. Like that's what I did to find the secret. But the conversations that I enjoy the most are when we talk about things that are important to us, whether it's like memories from our childhood, whether it's like talking about family or friends, the moments we spent with them, like our happiest moments, our saddest moments, all that stuff, like things that are important. Those are my favorite conversations. So whenever I sort of meet someone and I feel like, they're seeing me and we're having a good conversation, like I have a tendency to ask them more questions like, oh, do you have siblings? Oh, what was your family life like? Like, how did you grow up? Where are you from? Like all that stuff, like the things that are important to us, that are specific to us. In my opinion, that is what I would do if I were trying to like have a better conversation with people. As a little bit of an extra tip, if you want to get better at the more like practical elements of it, number one, if you want the other person to feel comfortable and sort of like maybe also feel at ease, tone of voice is something that you can practice. I feel like that's something I've inadvertently practiced, actually, like accidentally practiced by doing a whole bunch of voiceovers for YouTube. I do feel like back then in high school, I would talk in a very, very monotone voice all the time. And I kind of still sometimes do, but these days I've been a lot more expressive with my tones and the way I speak. That is something you just got to practice. And I highly recommend recording yourself and practicing that way. Because admittedly, even when I do talk with people I feel are actually connecting with me, sometimes if their tone of voice is just off, like they're giving off maybe like a little passive aggressive like tones when they don't mean to, or like perhaps they're giving a very, very monotone voice when I'm talking about something I'm excited about, it gives me the feeling that, I kind of feel like we're not quite on the same level, on the same wavelength, and it definitely lowers the experience for the conversation. So that's a practical tip. And then number two, it's sort of like the approach and the mindset and being curious about the other person. I feel like everyone has a story. They have lived many, many years, and there's gotta be some interesting things in that story. But sometimes people aren't good at telling them, so you kind of have to discover it and ask questions. That is something you kind of have to just develop over time, like the mindset of like, okay, each person is interesting. Each person has so much to them. Like, how do I get it? How do I become curious and ask the right questions to get those stories out? You just have to keep telling yourself that until eventually you just are curious and you do start just asking a lot of questions. I feel like I've been like that from not close to the beginning, but probably starting college. And because of that, like every time I meet new people, I always think of how like yo, what's this person's life been, you know? Like, I'm curious. So I just start asking questions. So that's the second practical tip, and hopefully those two practical tips can help you guys. Again, I don't consider myself like an amazing conversationalist or anything like that, but the conversations that I do have where I really, really enjoy, those are the things that I notice, and it's gonna be different for everyone. Like maybe some people really, really love talking about like entertainment, like talking about an anime or a movie or something like that. They get hyped, they're like excited about that, you know? Sometimes I like those conversations too. So it really depends on what you like, because it's subjective, right? What a good conversation is, what good talking is. So definitely reflect and think about what you enjoyed in your conversations with people and try to bring that up a bit more with new people you meet. That's the best tip I got. Hopefully that helps. Subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.